You what, Josh? Well, how do you battle cold water? By jumping straight in.
Don't jump in.
Oh my god, it's chilly.
Yeah, told you.
Right, so just to let you know, it is absolutely freezing in this water. Are you cold, Ollie?
No.
At least it's cold though.
Well,
At least it's cold though.
yes, we have Mr. and Mrs. Duck at the end there.
They're waiting for us to go in the shallow one so they can have a swim.
Yeah, it's taken a couple of minutes, but well, a minute or so, but I'm better
Come on,
now.
I know where to go.
Where is
You
it?
go underwater to go for it.
Yeah, Chris can.
Oh. Did you know I don't have to hold my nose anymore?
Good, well done.
Watch.
Can you do a width underwater?
What?
Can you do a width underwater?
Do the whip.
Are you? Last time I was in this pool, I was probably only about a year older than Joshy. Is there?
Hello, Mr. Ducks. The duck's over there. Just mind his own business. There we go. That was cool.
Now I'm gonna jump in, Dad. 3, 2, 1, go. Dad, the deepest I saw was here we go again.
Go.
Dad, did it hit the camera?
The splash did, yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, that wind.
My camera. Okay.
Oh my god.
Viewers, we're about to experience a tsunami. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, now go home.
Is that a good one?
Let's.
Ta-da! So here's an underwater shot of the pool, which I'm going to do right now. Dad and Ollie, take a chance. Here's underwater pool. Look how far down I get. So anyway, here's me going underwater. I know it's stupid. Here we go. And here we go. I've got that on my nose. Oh my lord, no way. No, for the helmet test. Alright, this is me jumping in. Pretty cool, right? Let's go on a little underwater jump.
It's an Action 5. It's an Action 5 cookie. Action 5.
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
Right, so now we're going to do some diving. Come on, Josh. Diving lessons. Not scuba diving, just diving into the pool.
Full on body slam the pool, Dad.
That was a very good one because that hurt a lot.
Sit my toe.
No, that's a jumping off. You push off and jump forwards like that, and use your hands together to break the water. So. You still jump.
Let's go, Ollie. No one's gonna watch you do this for sure. Are you recording?
Yeah.
So it is a lot sunnier this morning, and the pool looks amazing in the sunshine. There's the beautiful Isle of Wight sunshine, which is always there. Yesterday was a figment of everybody's imagination, but the water in the pool is a little bit chilly. So there is only one way. There's only one way to get in a cold pool, like this. Oh, it's chilly. You can do it, Ollie. Oh. Come down to this end in the sunshine.
Now wet. Sorry for some slight disturbances on the screen of water. Go again. It's a lot harder. So, can I read it one of those? Just like on me. Huh? Oh, okay. Then we're gonna go back in. Press the button again. Bye.
Alright, time to start.
What? Let's swim properly. Ready, handstand test.
Oh my god.
Don't throw me.
What?
Don't throw me.
What? Throw you again? You don't throw.
No!
You just said throw me.
Throw me.
So every day when we go to the pool we have to play this game where Josh pretends to stand by the edge of the pool like an innocent bystander. And then I...
Are you going to include that blue bit in the film? What? Are you going to... What blue bug? What? What blue bug? The one that Ollie like stopped you. Hello. Right?
Ollie!
There is a 100,000% chance of a tsunami
Is there?
in 5 seconds.
Is there?
Get tsunami.
It's a bit misty this morning, and Jemima Paddle Duck has gone for a swim. Her husband has buggered off though. You have been watching Munchy Road Hippopotamus. Thank you for joining us in our adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel, and tell us about any adventures that you have in the comments below. Get out there and explore your world.